What is up, guys? Ivan here with getivan.com, and today I want to talk with you about the importance of content for local businesses, the importance of long-tail blogging, and why those things are more important than a focus on backlinks and local citations. So to give you a little backstory, let me blow this up for a second. Recently, I was looking into getting a new refrigerator, and the brands that would have the lowest statistical instance of repairs. And this blog post from Yale Appliance was one of the main things that I stumbled on that I found quite useful. And then I realized it was a company specifically local to Boston, Massachusetts. So in an SEO group on Facebook the other day, I saw someone post something that said it was more beneficial to focus on building backlinks and local citations when it came to local business SEO rather than blogging and long tail blog posts and so on and so forth. And I'd have to argue that that is just not true. In my experience consulting businesses and working with businesses and doing my own projects, when you're focused on creating content, you're making progress. When you're focusing on building backlinks, you're looking for shortcuts. You're looking for some way to get exposure to something that isn't really focused on, is this a quality piece of content that deserves a backlink in the first place? And if your content isn't really high quality, well, first of all, let me say that most of the people who say those kinds of things, they're focused on gray hat link building anyways. They're focused on doing link building with PBNs and things like that. Because if you're actually making phone calls and you're exchanging emails with real influencers, they're going to be concerned about what's the content that I'm promoting. And so if you're actually involved in doing real organic white hat link building with real business owners who have real traffic and real sites with authority, your content is going to be accountable, okay, for the backlink requests that you're making, for the guest post requests that you're making. And so I would argue that blogging, doing long tail blog posts, doing things that you can anticipate your target audience will have a strong reaction to, those are just immeasurably more important than focusing on, okay, we need to be getting links to this post somehow, right? And the first reaction that I think you might see from someone else on the other side of that fence is, here, let me take this link and let me go look at the link profile in Moz or some such place, or Majestic, or with some other technical SEO tool. And they'll go, oh, look, this post has backlinks. See, backlinks work. Like, well, yeah, but I'm sure this post has backlinks. I haven't looked at it, but whatever links it has, why do you think they're there? And my argument is they're there because this post from Yale Appliance is really valuable to the target user, and I'm going to show you exactly why. So let's take a look. So like I said, I was looking to purchase a refrigerator with the lowest instance of repairs, and I found this post, most reliable / least serviced appliance brands for 2019. Now, after reading through this post, I realized that what they're doing is they're actually they're updating the timestamp every year. This post has been around for at least 3 years. And when you take a look at the content, they've got a video that's a few minutes long summarizing everything, and they have given us their sales for these various products at this appliance store and the numbers of service calls that they receive for this particular year, 2019. And so statistically speaking, these are the models that are the best to purchase. And then in each case, they're also making notes about the kinds of products that they recommend for those brands. So in LG, they excel in washers and dryers. In Samsung, they specifically note that they are more repaired for refrigeration and cooking categories. And in the video, they even mentioned that Samsung and LG are not necessarily great. They have a low instance of statistical repair necessity, but they're not really great if it does break because there's not that many technicians who are competent to repair the products. And then there's other things for other brands also. And that's the kind of thing that's really useful to me as an end user who's looking to purchase an appliance, in this case, a refrigerator. But I'm also interested in a stove, in a microwave, in a washer, or not a washer, a dishwasher. So that this content's really useful to me. And as a user who is pleased with the fact that I have received really useful, actionable content, I took this link and I shared it with a family member who I thought would also benefit from this information. And I'm probably going to share this link on the blog post that I'm making for this video. And I could easily share this link on social media and generate traffic. And who knows what other people will do with that information, if they'll share it to their pages to generate traffic to this blog post, or just who knows. But that's the whole point. That's the entire point of backlinks being a measurement of engagement. A backlink by itself has no power. Okay. But they're looking at backlinks because they're trying to determine what's important to people. And so when I'm consulting business owners on doing their own stuff as well as what's important, I say the same thing. It's content. And it's not just here, we just need to have content in general on the website. It's actionable content. It's content that is useful to the target audience. It's content that excites that target individual enough to where they feel like they can share it, and that's more valuable. It doesn't matter if it's local or not, because I'm sitting here in Fort Worth, Texas, and I found some actionable content. Now, can I order a refrigerator or whatever from Boston? Probably not. I don't really know. But it doesn't matter. It's the same reason that musicians share their music nowadays on YouTube for free, because building the brand is just as valuable as making a direct sale. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully that makes sense. And that's pretty much all I have to say for today. Hope you give it some thought, and I'll catch you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.